front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and to add an audio file, hit Files. Then look for your file in one of those apps by tapping on Audio at the top or selecting those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. When you're ready, just hold your file and hit Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my file was successfully added. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Tap on your video. Or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!